That's the old engine seating, all damaged compared to the new one. Can you see the clearance? Can you see that? So we're just going to install and reverse order. Always remember to put the dust cover. Right? Now passing this thing is very, very corny, so you have to be careful and smart about it. Okay? Twist and turn till you're able to pass it. Yeah, we've got it. Now that's the position. So just remember to lock the pin. Yes, sir. Just remember to lock the pin. And that's it. And you can see the note, the bolt. Just go right through. But before we do that, remember the exhaust heat protector. This is very important because this is one of the main reasons this engine seating died. And just like that, it's installed. Yeah. Of course, it's in.